Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the mid of August. Alright, so we'll see what is coming up in the middle of the month for you. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so this is a general reading. As you all know, it might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's start with my Virgos now. What do my Virgos have in the middle of the month? Let's see. Last shuffle, please. What do my Virgos have in the middle of month? One more. One more. All right. Alright, so your energy, what you are going through, is the Queen of Wands. This is your present scenario. Alright, so we are going to clarify it, but it's looking like there is some kind of, things which really need some kind of guidance in your situation, which need the proper execution. I'm seeing that whatever, because the thinking part, I'm not seeing the thinking part over here. I'm seeing the action part over here. You really need to take some action over here. That is what is happening. What is the problem? Problem might be a love, might be an offer. Okay, a love offer. It can be, or for some people, it is also where you think like that it's a spark. Sometimes little things, you think that little things matter. Yes, they do matter, but you are not able to take an action because of these little things, because you think about these small situations a lot, because it is coming with the Queen of Wands, and Queen is much higher than the Page. So that is happening. You have to take a step, but you are thinking about some small situations in your life. That is a problem. Your what's going on in your mind, a lot of stability, a lot of decision making abilities, some kind of, you just want to begin new, fresh. That is what is in your mind. Your past energies are Seven of Cups, so might be a lot of options in your life, might be a lot of choices from where you had to take a decision. But we'll clarify what kind of things these are. With the Six of Pentacles, the reason of the reading, we are going to clarify. But I'm seeing that this is a balance kind of a thing, where you really needed some guidance, you needed some balance. You actually want your life to be balanced, your life to be, no more problems. You just want to make your life simple. The future, I'm seeing that you are going to take a step forward, and you are going to manifest. You are manifesting good things in your life, I'm seeing. But we'll clarify. You want to move away from a situation. You want to go and leave the particular situation. You don't want to be in a place where you are now. The people around you, with the Knight of Cups, is like, if you are dealing with someone like a lover or something, they are also coming with an offer of love. There is also love in their situation as well, and in your situation as well. See, whatever this thing is, the other person or the situation which you are dealing with, they are coming up forward. They are coming up. The Fool in your situation, the universe is telling you to live your life to the fullest. This time might not come back in your life. Whatever, see, bad situations as well, the universe is telling you, live your life. In good situation, you obviously are living, but in bad situations, why not are you living your life to the fullest? Why are you not taking the leap of faith? Why are you not taking small steps towards something? If you want to start something new, why not? Okay, so why not is the question. Universe is telling you, if you want to do anything, just go ahead and do it. So your overall outcome is the King of Swords. So I'm seeing that with the Magician and King of Swords, the outcome is really, you know, you really need some thinking, and you are going to be practical this time. You are not going to be emotionally, you know, emotionally bent towards anything. You are going to take an action, I'm saying. All right, so let's see why is the Queen of Wands in your energy. Two of Cups. All right, for some of you, okay, let me check. All right, so okay, so I'm seeing that there are two situations over here, and you are like, you know, there's a love situation as well, there is some kind of other situation as well, where, you know, there some kind of justice is needed, some kind of court issue, anything it can be, and you are in between these two things. See, you want to be in a place where you want to be happy, you want to start afresh, you want to start new life, but it's like the action is needed, the action has not been taken yet, but the idea, you know, in your mind you have decided it, but still waiting for the action. Let's see why is the Page of Cups over here. Queen of Swords is here. All right, the family, I'm seeing the family is an issue over here. In whichever situation you are, your family, your, you know, sometimes you deal with someone who is very sharp at words. That is a problem over here. See, you are dealing with someone who is very sharp, or who is like, you don't even know this person, like the way they talk, the way they behave with you, that is something which you don't like, and you are like, I really want to be free. You want to be free, I'm seeing over here. For some of you, the children may be involved in your life. You might be dealing with a divorcee or a widow with a child, and that is a problem because some kind of court issue might be going on. All right, so let's see why is the Ace of Pentacles here in your mind. So you want, you know what do you want, but there are so many things that you cannot leave all these things to just, you know, you want this, and then you know what you want, but there are so many things in your life which you're going through that you are just in the middle of nowhere. Okay, let's see what are your past energies. Why is the Seven of Cups? So Seven of Cups has come twice, so it was your past energies as well as still in your mind. So these issues, these, see, the offer of love, you have already decided the option, you know, you are not in between any some kind of a choice. I'm seeing you are clear. I'm not seeing anything like that you are confused in any state. No, everything is clear. You have chosen this from this cup. See, from the 7 cups you have chosen this Ace of the 1 cup. You have chosen that. Everything has been planned, everything has been set, but what is needed is action. All right, so let's see why is the 6 of Pentacles here. What else? 5 of Cups, Page of Rods, and 6 of Pentacles. So, you know, there is a lot of sadness, a lot of imbalances in your life. The reason is that only everything, whatever is happening in your life is happening for a reason over here, but I'm seeing that the sadness is coming up, the, you know, the give and take thing, the balancing issues in your life. You are not able to balance the home life, the love life, the work life. Everything is like they need some balance, but you are not able to do, and that is why the sadness, the regrets are here. Might be from your side, might be from the other person's side as well, because I'm seeing that imbalances are there in your life, and that is what the problem is. Let's see the Magician in your future energies, the Empress, and the Tower. See, you are coming up with an action. You are going to take an action, and that is really fast. You are going to take. This is an action which is actually, which will be favorable to everyone. That kind of action, because something is ending up here, something is coming to an end, and because of your action everything will come to an end. So this is all based upon your action. Let's see, why is this 8 of Cups over here? What do you want? 9 of Pentacles, that is your energy. Okay, so I really think that you want to be, you want to leave the situation, and you want to be independent. You want to live a life the way you always wanted to live. You want peace. You want to, like, some people who have not, slept from a long time. In fact, they feel that they don't have, they haven't slept for a long time. So you really want to sleep, and you want to, like, rest. Take a deep rest. That is what you want. You don't want to don't want that I should be in the middle of the crossroads. Sometimes you are going here, sometimes you are going there, you don't know what to do. You don't want to be in that place. In fact, nobody wants. You just want to leave the situation, and you want to live a life independently the way you want it. Okay, so let's see, why is the Knight of Cups over here? The people around you, what is the environment around you like? 5 of Swords, a Page of Pentacles, and King of Cups. So there might be more than one person over here. So one is like one person might be your father, might be somebody elder to you, a male figure, somebody who loves you a lot, and someone who actually feels for you from the heart. Might be not elder to you, might be younger to you, your child or your sibling, someone like that, your friend who is younger to you, somebody who, that is also, people want to just take it slow. There are many people involved over here, but this 5 of Rods, there are people who really want to just, destroy you as well. So there are people who want to be with you. There are people who actually think better for you, but there are people who actually want to just, end. They just want that you should suffer in pain. That is what they want, not good people. Let's see the Fool in the universe. Okay, the Fool clarified by Fool, and the Temperance is here. So the universe is telling you that you really need some time off. The 2 times Fool coming up, it's like you really need some time. You really need to just enjoy a life which you wanted always. The balance, you really want to just go on a trip where you can do meditation, go on some trekking, go and enjoy the nature, go on mountains, the places which makes you feel calm, which gives a lot of peace to you. Go to those places. The final outcome is the King of Swords here. Let's see, why is it here? 3 of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and what else? Knight of Swords. So I told you, whatever decision you have taken, you are going to take it really fast, because see, you are going to fight the problems. I'm seeing problems are going to come, but you are going to take everything very in a practical aspect, practical approach to everything. You are going to fight the things. I'm not seeing you that you are just leaving a place just like that. You want to leave, that is what, but you are not leaving. You are fighting for the problems, the things which are happening in your life. You are fighting for those things, and you are actually gaining a lot of, a lot of stability, a lot of maturity from this experience of your life. You will attain to that position where you are the more mature person anyone can see. And you will really, you will enjoy this time, you know, whatever the final outcome. I'm not saying that it will happen fast. It will take time, because there are so many battles you have to fight to reach that level. You have to fight the battles of your life, then you will reach that final level. All right, Virgos, so I hope it helps, and that's all from my side, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.